Every safe landing starts here.
Scene 2. Engineered for impact. This is not a wheel. This is an impact absorption system.
Finished aircraft tires sit silently in storage. They look ordinary, but every landing depends on them. Full-weight aircraft landing simulation feeds into Michelin Tires design systems. Large industrial rollers simulate run friction for multiple aircraft tires in sequence. Heat builds instantly at a cross-sectional industrial visualization.
Automated inspection systems scan aircraft tire thickness at Michelin aircraft tires. Every millimeter is measured across entire.
Life cycle simulations run continuously on Michelin aircraft tires production data.
The wear patterns on this batch are consistent.
Good. The replacement cycle data confirms our safety margins. Michelin aircraft tires sacrifices volume for safety. Most tires will never fly.
Lighting scan of the wheels reveal variable thickness zones across entire batches of aircraft tires.
It will never leave the ground. But every safe landing depends on this mass-produced precision.
Steel cords arrive in massive spools at Michelin aircraft tires. Each cord is engineered for tense strength and fatigue.
Fabric reinforcement layers are staged beside steel cords. Multiple reinforcement systems work together. Redundancy begins at the material level.
Automated inspection systems scan every sheet. Thickness, density, and bonding quality are verified. No batch advances unchecked.
Rejected material is removed instantly from Michelin aircraft tires production flow. Waste is acceptable, risk is not.
Look at the elasticity matrix here. If we optimize the sofa linkage,
I'm adjusting the accelerator level now. Simulation is green.
Cross-sectional visualization shows rubber, steel, and fabric layers combined. Each layer performs
Chemistry and steel are now ready. Construction can begin.
Inner liner rubber is applied smoothly around rotating drums.
bead assemblies are installed at both edges of the tire. These components anchor the tire to the wheel rim. Failure here is unacceptable. Flexibility and strength must coexist. Balance is engineered deliberately.
Cooling zones stabilize tire structure gradually. Rapid temperature change is avoided. Controlled patience protects integrity. Mass production never isolates a single unit. Everything advances together.
They are now permanent structures. The most critical transformation is complete.
Spin tests accelerate tires beyond certified landing speeds. Rotational forces strain internal structures violently. These limits will never be reached in service.
Thermal stress chambers expose aircraft tires to extreme heat cycles. Rapid temperature shifts simulate repeated landings. Heat fatigue is accelerated deliberately.
Certification audits take place across testing halls. Every test result is traceable. Compliance is continuous, not occasional. Approved aircraft tires are marked internally and released from testing. Only a fraction advance. Passing is rare by design.
Destruction and validation occur side by side. Safety is engineered through repetition.
They have survived more than real life will ever demand. Now they are trusted.
Production ends. Responsibility continues.
Tread depth is reading low here. See the heat signature on the inboard?
Yeah, logging that wear pattern now. Max temp was 300 Celsius.
Aircraft tires are removed after a limited number of certified landings. Replacement is scheduled, not optional. Lifespan is engineered, not guessed.
Used Michelin aircraft tires return to centralized inspection facilities. Large volumes arrive daily. Safety loops close continuously. Detailed inspection determines retread eligibility. Only structurally perfect casings advance. Trust is selective.
New rubber is applied and bonded during retread production. The tire re-enters controlled manufacturing. Life is extended safely.
Retreaded aircraft tires undergo the same extreme testing as new units. No shortcuts exist. Certification resets completely.
Approved retreaded tires are reintegrated into Michelin Aircraft Tires' global supply chain.
Tires that fail retread criteria are destroyed permanently. Retirement is absolute. Risk is removed from the system.
Michelin